Back home now, and the Victorian Government is reintroducing free whooping cough vaccinations for parents of newborns after the previous government scrapped the program. It's hoped the policy will reverse a recent dramatic increase in infection rates in Victoria, as Claire Rawlinson reports.
Thornbury mother Charmaine Gallier isn't taking any chances with her baby's health.
Whooping cough was definitely a concern, and I discussed that with my GP when we were immunising Leonardo.
She and her husband immunised themselves to protect their baby, but they're not convinced all parents would, with a $45 price tag per jab.
I do think that because it isn't funded, would be the reason why people aren't accessing it.
Cases of whooping cough have increased since 2012, when the previous government stopped free vaccines for parents of newborns.
We've seen a 57% increase in whooping cough notifications over the past 12 months. More disturbingly, we've seen a significant increase in the number of babies who are under 1 year old who have whooping cough.
Now the Labor government will reintroduce them.
It's about supporting our parents to in turn support the most vulnerable members of our Victorian community, and that's our smallest Victorians, our newborns.
Once a tender's been secured, the vaccine will be available to all parents of newborns. The government is still working to introduce its no jab, no play policy, which would lock unvaccinated kids out of childcare centres. If the legislation passes Parliament, it could be in place next year. However, there is some criticism of the plan.
A no jab, no play policy purely on its own may end up stigmatising the children involved, and that has obviously a number of social consequences.
I'm a parent, so I can see that I wouldn't want my kids playing with unvaccinated children just in case they get sick, but I feel like there should be some sort of avenue for unvaccinated kids to have some childcare.
I don't think kids should be able to go to childcare or school if they haven't been immunised.
The no jab, no play policy is already in force in New South Wales. Claire Rawlinson, ABC News, Melbourne.